Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provide my channel. Today I am discuss the most important question. Some people think that the children should obey the rule or to do what either the parents and teacher want them to do. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕੀ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਰੂਲ ਮੰਨਣਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਜਾਂ ਟੀਚਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕੀ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਦਰ ਪੀਪਲ ਥਿੰਕ ਦੈਟ ਦੀ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਕੰਟਰੋਲਡ ਟੂ ਮਚ cannot deal with the problems themselves in the adulthood ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਤੇ ਟੀਚਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੰਟਰੋਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਰਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੋਲਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਦੋਨੇ ਵਿਊ ਦੀ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਟੇਟ ਯੂਰ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਆਪਣਾ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਦਵੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾਉਣ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਰੀਫਰੇਸ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਥੀਸਿਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਚਲੋ ਇੰਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਰਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਰੀਫਰੇਸ ਤੇ ਥੀਸਿਸ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਚਲੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ Children are expected to conform to some rule on by some occasions. Sometimes discipline, I think, are the important to regulate the children's behavior, but too strict rules may have the adverse impact on the problem-solving ability of the children. BP1. The main purpose of the regulation is to make the children responsible for their behavior, shaping a good code of the conduct from a young age. Children are unaware of the consequence of the bad behavior. Unlike the adult, children are unaware of the consequence of the bad behavior. However, children can gradually realize how to behave in a society acceptable way. For example, children would learn how to show the good manner, how to get along well with others, which are of the vital important to their adult life. In the contrast, if there are no regulation to prohibit the children from saying the dirty words or bullying others, they may not understand how to deal with the social relationship and even commit a crime in adulthood. BP2. Sometimes regulation may not have the positive influence on the children's growth. If the parents or teacher who establish strict rules imposes obedience of the children, obeying the rules will be restrain the children's imagination and creativity. Thus, students are afraid of the putting their idea into the practice because they fear into punished by for making the rules. As a result, children rely so much on the norms to make the decision that they can't cope with the various complicated problems in the workplace independently. For instance, if students are taught to solve the maths question in one way, then they would rarely consider other approaches. Also, too restrict upbringing lead to the loss of the children time control ability, so they cannot balance the work and life, losing chance of the success in their career. In summary, children should abide by the rules in the school or at home because they can't regulate their behavior, but too restrict norm will be restrict student imaginations and the decision making ability and harm their future careers. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update about the IDP examination based question.